So, if your child is struggling with a pesky cough or congested airways, let wild cherry bark come to the rescue. Number 6, relieves teething pain. Every parent knows the struggle of soothing a teething baby, but wild cherry bark is here to save the day. It possesses natural analgesic properties that can offer relief from the discomfort of teething. Chewing on a piece of wild cherry bark can help numb the gums, reducing the pain and discomfort associated with teething. So, if your little one is experiencing those first toothy troubles, consider turning to this natural remedy for some much-needed relief. Isn't it amazing what nature can provide? But we're not done yet. Number 7, promotes heart health. If you have made it this far in the video, please be sure to hit that like button. Now, on to benefit number 7.